All living creatures on Earth have love, and the animal world is full of touching stories about the friendships between them and humans. Are you curious to find out which animals have the most unique and adorable ways of showing affection? Hit the subscribe button and join us in exploring today's video. Even though it's pouring rain and storming heavily, the dog still runs through the rain to bring an umbrella to its owner. What a pure and beautiful love! Sometimes, the greatest comfort comes from the places we least expect. Cherish the friends around us.
Abby, otherwise known as Queen Abby, is our oldest kangaroo. She's the matriarch, and she just loves the cuddle.
This kangaroo doesn't want to leave the caregiver who saved her and her family. Every day, this girl visits her octopus friend, and that's also when she gets a hug from it.
Hello. Hi, baby. Love you. Yeah. It's Mama.
Kissed by a hummingbird this morning. How wonderful is that? Each morning, the first thing they do is give each other a warm hug. What do you think about having a goat as a pet?
Nereye çıktı bak?
Cats showing affection like this is truly warm and beautiful, isn't it?
Oğlum ne yapıyorsun? Ne yapıyorsun?
Over the past 20 years, this man has visited the tiger shark named Emma many times and has even helped her get free from fishing hooks stuck in her mouth. Their bond has grown deeper, becoming a special relationship between humans and wildlife.
So cute.
This is the culture of thanking in Japan. Even the deer know to bow in gratitude when they receive treats.
Thank you. Thank you.
Here we go. Oh!
Whales are gentle and friendly creatures, but this particular whale is so friendly that it allows tourists to interact with it.
Man. Oh, you like me now?
I don't know what they're talking about, but they look like two close friends sharing their daily joys with each other. After years of being cared for, this seal now sees its caretaker as a second mother. And the hug the seal wants to give its caretaker is truly heartwarming.
She can show you how agile she is. And if you get a close-up, she'll show you how gorgeous she is, right? Good. You're very pretty. Yes.
This man has absolute trust in the cheetahs he cares for, so he often sleeps with them as if they were a real family.
Yeah. Ahí está yendo.
This deer is very friendly and affectionate towards people. She loves to get close and lick the faces, hands, or legs of the people she likes. Friendship can blossom anywhere and between anyone, regardless of age or species. When your best friend weighs 1323 pounds, I wonder what it would feel like to hug this friend.
Princess, we gotta get up. Mommy has stuff to do, okay? I know you'll nuzzle in there so nice and cute.
She has a really cute piglet. Would you like a piglet like that?
Okay, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay.
Check out the beautiful friendship between a bird and a lovely little girl. They've been best friends for many years. A truly special bond. The bond between humans and animals is like a breath of fresh air, bringing us faith in the goodness of humanity. The owner has been away from the dog since it was little, and this reunion is a moment filled with love between the now grown-up dog and the owner returning from the military.
Oh my goodness, you're gigantic. Do you know you're gigantic? Do you know you're gigantic? You probably don't. You think you're little bitty still.
The deer and the people are taking shelter together from the approaching storm. This is the first time the pufferfish has met the little girl, but it has decided she will be its best friend. Here's when husky dogs welcome their owner. So touching and amusing, right? What breed of dog do you have? Comment below and let me know. This camel is so familiar with the house that it considers itself part of the family.
You're gonna crack it. Come back here, you.
Let's go.
Out. Out.
Albert, none of that.
Out. Please, sweetheart. Come on up. Come on. Listen to your daddy. Let's go. Come on.
Since its owner couldn't go to the beach, this dog decided to do something bold. It went into the sea to get its fur wet and bring seawater back to its owner.
Go, 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 go.
Artie the calf chose Chris as his new foster mother, and they have truly formed a strong bond.
Aww.
Have you ever played with water with your dogs at home? This is the love between a little girl and the dog she rescued.
What do you think you're doing?
In the dog's mind, he has helped his owner with so many things. It's truly adorable. This could be a moment that melts your heart. Give a like to this beautiful moment. The first time the boys saw the adorable little puppy, both of them were ready to become lifelong friends. This dog and this baby have grown up together since birth. They truly are best friends. It's time to say goodbye. Thank you for taking the time to watch this entire video. We hope you had relaxing and enjoyable moments. If you enjoyed our video, please like and subscribe to our channel to receive notifications when we upload new videos. See you in the next video.